Fito Cream is a medicinal product belonging to the dermatological medicines group. Fito Cream is supplied in 40-gram aluminum tubes. The active ingredients of the medicine are triticum vulgare and ethylene glycol monophenyl ether. You can find the full list of excipients included in the product at the end of the video. The information you will hear in this video has been prepared based on the patient information leaflet in order to inform users of Fito Cream. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, join the channel and turn on notifications. What is Fito Cream and why is it used? One of the active ingredients of Fito Cream, triticum vulgare, is a herbal extract obtained from wheat and supports skin regeneration and tissue repair. Fito Cream, which has a white color and a soft texture, is used in conditions that require skin regeneration, in various skin lesions, burns, pressure sores, venous ulcers, and to support wound healing after surgery. It can also be used as supportive treatment in some skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. How should Fito Cream be used? Fito Cream is for external use on the skin only. After cleaning the affected area, Fito Cream is applied as a thin layer. The medicine is usually applied at least twice a day. If necessary, the applied area can be covered with a sterile gauze. Contact with the eyes should be avoided. Duration of effect of Fito Cream. Fito Cream works by supporting skin regeneration and tissue repair. Therefore, it is not a product with an immediate effect. With regular use, relief can usually be observed within a few days, depending on the type of lesion and the skin structure. More noticeable improvement usually occurs within a few days to a few weeks. Can Fito Cream be applied to the face? This medicine can be applied to the face when necessary. However, it should not be applied around the eyes or to mucous membranes, such as inside the mouth and nose. When used on the face, it is appropriate to apply a thin layer to clean skin once or twice a day. For people with sensitive skin, it is recommended to test the medicine on a small area before the first use. For application to large areas of the face and for long-term use, it is recommended to seek the advice of a dermatologist. The use of Fito Cream is not recommended in infants younger than 6 months. Things to know before using Fito Cream are as follows. If you are allergic to any of the active substances or any of the excipients, the use of this medicine is not recommended. The medicine should not be used during pregnancy and breastfeeding without medical advice. Before using it on large areas of the body or for a long period of time, it is recommended to consult a physician. Possible side effects that may occur with the use of Fito Cream are as follows. Fito Cream is generally well tolerated. However, in rare cases, redness, itching, a burning sensation, and allergic skin reactions may occur at the application site. If this video was helpful for you, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. You can share your opinions and experiences about medicine use in the comments section. I wish you healthy days.